Hello and welcome, my dear friends. This is Dr. Angelina Dcosta, and today I want to talk to you about something very important, your strength and independence after the age of 60. As the years go by, many of us notice that our muscles don't feel as strong as they once did. Walking long distances becomes harder, climbing stairs feels like a challenge, and even carrying groceries may tire us out. This isn't just aging, it's something we can actively improve. The truth is, our bodies are remarkable, and with the right care, we can rebuild muscle, increase energy, and keep walking strong even in our golden years. Nature gives us powerful remedies, and some of the simplest solutions are right in our kitchen. In fact, just by adding the right kind of teas to your daily routine, you can support your muscles, reduce stiffness, and feel more energetic. In this video, I will be sharing with you 3 special teas that are not only soothing and delicious, but also scientifically proven to help improve muscle health, fight inflammation, and boost your overall strength. These are natural, safe, and easy to prepare, perfect for seniors who want to live an active and healthy life. So, stay with me till the end of this video, because I will also be giving you practical tips on how to combine these teas with simple lifestyle habits for maximum benefit. Together, we can take small steps toward a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. Let's get started. Let's begin with the first tea that I highly recommend, green tea, a muscle protector. Now, most people think of green tea only as a weight loss drink, but the truth is, it's much more powerful than that. Green tea is packed with natural compounds called catechins, which are antioxidants that help reduce damage in your cells and support faster muscle recovery. This means, when you drink green tea regularly, your muscles are able to rebuild themselves more effectively after even light physical activity, like walking or stretching. Another wonderful benefit is that green tea improves blood circulation. When blood flows better, oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles more easily, giving them the energy and strength they need. It also helps reduce inflammation, which is a common cause of stiffness and soreness in people over 60. How to make it? Take 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves, or 1 tea bag. Steep it in hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overboil, as that can make it bitter. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra antioxidants, or just enjoy it plain. Drinking 1 cup in the morning or early afternoon can give you a gentle boost of energy without the jitters of coffee. Over time, this small habit can make a big difference in how strong, active, and energetic you feel. So remember, green tea is not just a refreshing drink, it's truly a muscle protector for seniors who want to stay strong and walk with confidence. The second tea I want to share with you is ginger tea, the natural muscle healer. Now, ginger is something most of us already have in our kitchens, but very few people realize just how powerful it is for our muscles and joints, especially after the age of 60. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries because it is a natural anti-inflammatory. This means it helps reduce swelling, stiffness, and pain in the muscles and joints. If you often wake up with tightness in your legs, or if your knees ache after walking, a warm cup of ginger tea can bring gentle relief. Another wonderful benefit of ginger tea is that it improves blood circulation. Good circulation means more oxygen and nutrients flow to your muscles, which helps them recover faster and stay strong. It also warms up the body naturally, which is especially comforting if you suffer from cold hands and feet. How to make it? Take a few thin slices of fresh ginger. Boil them in a cup of water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea and add a little honey if you prefer a mild sweetness. Drink it warm for best results. You can enjoy this tea once or twice a day, especially in the morning or evening. Over time, ginger tea supports better flexibility, reduces soreness, and helps you feel lighter and more energetic. So, if you want your muscles to stay strong and your joints to stay mobile, ginger tea is truly your natural healer. It is simple, soothing, and one of the best gifts you can give your body after 60. The third tea I want to share with you is often called golden tea, made with turmeric. Turmeric is truly a gift from nature, and if you are over 60, this simple spice can make a big difference in how your body feels every single day. The secret of turmeric lies in its active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is one of the most powerful natural, anti-inflammatory agents we know of. It helps calm down the tiny inflammations inside your muscles and joints that often cause pain, stiffness, and weakness. By reducing this inflammation, turmeric supports faster muscle repair and helps protect your bones and joints. But that's not all. Turmeric also strengthens your immune system, improves digestion, and supports a healthy heart. For seniors, this means more energy, less fatigue, and a body that recovers more quickly after activity. How to make it? Heat 1 cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, or fresh grated turmeric if available. For better absorption, add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. You can add a little honey, or a dash of lemon for taste. Drink this tea once daily, preferably in the evening, as it relaxes the body and prepares you for a restful night's sleep. Over time, turmeric tea can reduce joint discomfort, support stronger muscles, and give you a renewed sense of vitality. So remember, this golden drink is not just a tea, it is a daily ritual of healing and strength. For those of you who want to walk with confidence, move with ease, and feel younger in your body, turmeric tea can be a true companion on your journey to healthy aging. While these 3 teas are powerful allies for your muscles, true strength comes from combining them with small daily habits. Let me share a few simple but highly effective lifestyle tips. First, make sure to include light exercise every day. Even a 20 to 30 minute walk or gentle stretching can keep your muscles active and flexible. Second, focus on protein-rich foods, such as eggs, lentils, nuts, or fish. Protein is the building block your muscles need to stay strong. Third, remember the importance of hydration. Drink enough water throughout the day to keep your joints lubricated and your body energized. Lastly, never underestimate the power of restful sleep. Your muscles repair and grow stronger while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. Together with these teas, these simple habits can help you walk with confidence and live with energy. Many of you may be wondering, how do I include these teas into my daily routine without overcomplicating things? The good news is, it's very simple. Start your morning with a warm cup of green tea. It gently wakes up your body, boosts energy, and prepares your muscles for the day ahead. Around mid-morning or in the afternoon, enjoy a soothing cup of ginger tea. This helps reduce stiffness, improves circulation, and keeps your joints feeling light and flexible. In the evening, before bedtime, prepare a comforting cup of turmeric tea. This golden drink relaxes your body, calms inflammation, and supports deep, healing sleep. By spreading these teas throughout the day, you not only nourish your muscles, but also create a rhythm of healing and energy. This simple routine, when practiced daily, can help you walk stronger and feel more youthful after 60. My dear friends, before we close today's video, I want to remind you of something very important. Aging is not the end of strength, but rather a chance to take better care of the body that has carried you through life. After 60, it's normal to feel changes in your muscles and joints, but with the right habits, you can still enjoy energy, movement, and independence. The teas we spoke about, green tea, ginger tea, and turmeric tea, are simple, natural tools that can support your health in powerful ways. Green tea helps your muscles recover, ginger tea improves flexibility and circulation, while turmeric tea reduces inflammation and supports healing. When you make these teas part of your daily routine, you are giving your body gentle yet effective support to stay strong. So, I encourage you to begin today. Take that first sip with intention, and remember, you are never too old to rebuild strength and walk with confidence. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips, designed especially for seniors who want to stay healthy, strong, and independent. May you continue to walk with strength, energy, and joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve it. Thanks for watching.